So in this Yahoo Finance tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to view the daily top gaining cryptocurrencies here on Yahoo Finance. So the first thing you have to do is open up the Yahoo Finance application. Once that is done, just go to the bottom bar right here and press on the Discover icon. Then in the top left, press on Crypto to make sure that it's highlighted blue. Now where it says most active, keep scrolling down to where it says day gainers and losers. Discover the cryptocurrencies with the greatest gains and losses in the last 24 hours. And as of right now, gainers is selected. And if you were to go ahead and press on day gainers right here, you can view the cryptocurrencies that have had the biggest gain in the last 24 hours. So for example, BIT USD has had a 1,139% increase, which is actually incredible. That's a lot at the time of recording this video. So for example, you can sort of scroll down, view the latest in regards to the top daily gainers. And basically, yeah, pretty straightforward. This is how to view the daily top gaining cryptocurrencies here on Yahoo Finance. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.